slaughter continues here at Black Orchard Haunted House in Shelbyville, Kentucky. These guys are always one of the most intense haunted houses here in North Central Kentucky. Tonight we're here in February for a special benefit event, and we're taking you inside with us for the whole thing. So without further ado, let's go get some scares.
This walk up always freaks me out. You hear that, right?
What are they saying?
I don't know.
They said
I
piggy,
definitely didn't hear
piggy
slaughter.
coming. Yep, piggy, piggy coming to the slaughter.
I'm a little piggy.
You got a piggy on your hat.
I do have a little piggy on my hat.
Trevor did it!
Nuh-uh.
Oh, hell.
Not everything you read on the bathroom stall is true, Nora.
Those are words to live by.
How are we doing?
We're good. We're staying warm, yes.
Come up here by the fire.
We're a little hungry, actually.
A little hungry. We're gonna take real good care of you.
Okay, all right.
Just a couple minutes. Well, you might be taking real good care of us in a couple minutes.
Oh.
We're not real sure what's gonna be fed you or if you're gonna feed us.
That's not good.
Come on, man. Come on, warm yourselves by the fire. Warm yourselves by the fire.
Okay. That's got some different colors going on in
Yeah,
there.
that's cool.
Oh, it's green.
Gonna take good care of you. Everybody's favorite uncle.
Everybody's
Smoke
favorite
chases
uncle.
beauty.
Okay.
See, everybody keeps talking about the Black Family Farm. Everybody keeps trying to sneak in to our property and say we're doing bad things.
It was not me.
Yeah, no, who would do that?
We're just a family that does what we do. And we do a really good job of it. I'm sorry you came to the farm tonight. Welcome to Black Family Orchard.
I hope my finger doesn't end up on there.
Here come the piggies.
Oink, oink, oink.
Oink, oink, oink. Oh, God.
I think he said slaughter that time.
I think he did, yeah. Unfortunately.
For sure.
Well, ain't nothing to it but start winking.
Oh, hell.
Good night.
Where'd that even come from?
Yeah, piggy!
Oh, that's not me. It's the one in the back.
What? Are you sure you're not piggy?
I'm pretty sure, yeah. Oh, that was hard.
Favorite one too.
Oh,
The
no.
one with the blood red hair.
Oh, crap.
Look at this piggy!
I'm a big old piggy.
Come on,
You
look out.
sweet thing.
Look at this piggy! This is a nice one!
Nah.
Balls.
No, I'm probably real gristly, I heard.
Oh, my God. They're
Real
very
gamey.
eager to see us tonight. Oh. Ah! Ay.
You smell better than when you're asleep.
Oh, thank you. That's great.
The price of beef is all very high.
Good thing I'm not beef, I guess.
Many.
Oh, well, I don't like that noise. Hi. Oh, did you just lick that?
Yeah, it's tasty! You wanna try?
No.
No.
Oh, my good God. Where did you come from?
Oh, sweet thing. We got a lot to talk about.
Oh, hell no.
Let me
No.
see. All that blood red hair. You really need to tell me your secret, sweetie.
Oh, never. It's a family secret.
It's all
Yeah.
natural.
I think I'm family enough, don't you think?
Sometimes, yes.
Long time no see, don't you think?
Yes, long time. Yes, you were right.
Well, welcome back.
Oh, thank you.
Missed you quite much.
Thank you.
Say hi to the rest of the family for me.
Okay. That crazy mother back there said hi.
Oh no.
hell.
Oh god.
No. Good thing he went that way. Ah. No.
Stock is low, and these prices are high.
Oh, yeah, you're right. That's what the other guy said. We're in high demand right now.
That's true.
Ah, look out, Trevor.
No.
I'm basically like the Wagyu beef of...
Yes, Wagyu.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yep.
Could have had the Wagyu.
Oh. Now. Smells like fire. A good cut. Oh, I've never been told that before.
8 ounce.
8 ounce.
Nora's about a 6
12
ounce.
ounce, whatever it's called.
Mama, they're coming!
Mama!
Don't tell her that.
Knock, knock.
Oh, I heard pork chop.
Whoa,
Oh god.
Hey.
Come on behind me, got Trevor.
What's that?
You don't need that. We're inside.
Who dares enter the room of a grieving mother? Oh, of course it would be you. You haven't noticed that my son Bray is no longer here?
I have.
We did notice that.
If you're like me, you don't miss him.
Yeah,
But we're
well.
still gonna do a prayer for him.
Okay.
So on your knees! Now!
Okay.
Now!
Oh gosh.
Okay.
Oh gosh.
Now we're gonna pray with Mama for the one that is missing, our dear Bray. We're glad you're gone. Okay, I'll make it up.
Yay!
Hallelujah.
Their kids like their water. I don't miss them.
Well.
I just replace them. See? This is Bray's replacement.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Glad.
Welcome to the barn!
Exactly. See, she's got it.
R.I.P. Bray.
Oh.
As everyone knows, a butcher shop has beautiful humans to eat.
Whoa. Oh my God.
Look at this. Oh, no. What are you running for, gorgeous?
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
See, Mama needs some fresh meat. It's been a
Oh,
minute.
my. I don't
So
know
I'll
what
let
to
you
make
meet
of
the
it.
rest of the family. Who do you want to hang with? Bertha, Michael, George, or Fred?
Fred.
You want to hang with Fred?
Fred, yeah.
Or do you want to lay with Tiffany?
Oh, Fred.
I'm
Fred's
Fred.
so
Okay.
good.
I'm a Fred
We'll go
guy.
meet the rest of the family. Look at this one.
Oh, my. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Oh, no. Oh, no.
No, I don't want to go in there. Oh my God. It's really hard to see in here.
Oh, God.
Oh my gosh. Maybe that really smells like burnt flesh.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah, I think so. Got that thing right there. Holy crap.
Oh, God. Oh, it's playing with my ears. Oh, no.
Where's Trevor?
I don't know.
What's that?
Where'd it come from?
No.
Oh, no. Oh, my. Oh, God.
Look out, Trevor. Oh, shit.
There's another one down there? Oh, no.
I don't think it was there the whole time.
Oh, no.
We're just gonna go right from here. Yeah. Oh, yeah, just like that. That looks
No.
fresh.
Oh,
yeah.
no.
Yeah.
Oh.
Don't eat your own stash.
Oh, no.
That's why they're running low. They're eating their own.
Oh,
Why is
what the
it
heck
all
is that?
talking
Where's
to me?
that?
I don't know.
Oh, no.
Oh my God, there's a little one.
Oh, gosh.
Oh. That smells like a barn for sure.
Oh, no.
Oh no!
Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh.
I think that's a warning.
Oh, no.
Knock, knock.
Knock, knock.
Quiet! Be quiet! They're sleeping! My chickens are sleeping! You wanna hold my chicken? You can't hold it! You wanna hold him?
Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh.
Come on, Biggies, you wanna hold my chicken? Be quiet, quiet! You're gonna wake him up! Why are you attacking him? I didn't say you would hold my chicken! Out, Biggies, out! You're being too loud!
We're always too loud. Knock, knock. I hear you in there.
Oh, man.
Well,
Materials for my craft. You guys brought anchors of skin.
yeah.
I think that I'll turn you into a lovely little dress man, and your skull will be perfect for a cereal bowl, don't you think?
I agree, yes.
Sir, the amount of leather that I can make with you, so many boots. Go into the next room, you'll be prepped and processed.
Prepped?
Go on now.
Uh-oh, somebody's missing. Oh, what happened?
Where was that?
I don't know. Did you hear that too?
Oh,
It was
no.
her.
You want to be my friend? Or do
Yes.
you want to be my dinner?
Friend.
We'll stick with friends for now.
Jethro, your dinner's here.
That doesn't sound very friendly. It's not very friendly of you. You stay in there. Uh-oh.
Whoa, whoa.
What the heck? What was it?
What was it?
Nothing.
Nothing? Nothing?
What is that?
What is that? Ugh.
Oh.
How we doing tonight?
Oh, we're here.
All right, get on the wall.
Okay.
Hi.
So, this is the inspection room. In
this next round, you will be getting branded.
Oh.
If you are not branded, you are considered a defect.
Oh.
Now, I've had many defects tonight, and I don't need any more. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
ma'am. All right. So, with that being said, go on and let's determine your fate.
We're gonna all get branded.
All right.
I think we're hoping to get branded.
I think I'm like grade A.
Yeah, I'm going
He's the
with
Wagyu.
Yeah, the Wagyu, that's right.
Oh, yeah, just some branded. Oh, gosh. Oh, no.
Trevor's grade A.
Oh, God. Oh, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is some good meat, by the way.
That's right, yeah. that's,
YouTube, comment down below.
We're gonna get you all sick. Right down the nigga. Oh, gosh. Oh,
Okay.
no. Oh, my.
Why are there more than one?
Oh, no.
Thank you.
Oh, she's getting
No.
I got 2. Oh no, what does that mean?
You two got branded.
Oh, no.
Oh, God.
Here, we got this little piggy went to the market. This little piggy stayed home.
Yeah, well.
This little piggy had roast beef.
Oh.
You're staying with me.
No,
You go away. I got special
Trevor,
Oh, no.
You gotta be nice to him. He's that Wagyu meat. You gotta be nice.
Yeah, don't
Yeah.
close it.
You gotta be nice.
Oh, hell.
Oh, we gotta go.
You guys
I
got
gotta
like
change
2
his
seconds
mind.
left.
What the fuck?
Hold on. Oh, chainsaw. The big chainsaw.
The bombs are over, Yorkie dude. Thank you. I didn't know that was a spot.
I didn't either.
Oh,
Oh, no. Where'd they go?
I didn't touch it.
my. Oh, my.
just to let you know.
I didn't.
I didn't. It was not me.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
I don't think she cares.
Oh,
Ooh. The sauce.
I'm so hungry.
Well, that's a good thing because you got some meat out there. Yeah, tons of it right there. That's
You haven't finished this
Don't
one.
touch her.
You gotta finish that one.
okay.
That's why you're still hungry.
Okay. Smile.
Smile. Oh, they're taking pictures. Who's got it?
It's been a while since I've seen your pretty face.
Oh.
Don't be scared. It's whack. Are you liking the orchard? I do, yes. Do you plan to stay? Maybe for a little bit, yeah.
We're just
I think we
visiting.
should change that. Change it to
We're just
real-
visiting.
Yeah.
We're just
I
visiting.
think they don't want that a little longer.
No.
Oh, are you okay? I'd love to have you in my
Cigarette. More cigarette.
That's enough. Is that a
It's a
rat?
big pig.
Oh, that's a pig. Yeah.
Okay.
It's a pig.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, come on.
I'm gonna touch into meat.
No, we've almost made it out, I think. Not today. Okay, all right, not today, pig. Not today.
Oh,
Oh, thank you.
Black Rose.
Thank you, Mama.
Nora's favorite.
They are my favorite.
Aw.
But did you hear that?
I did.
That pig! Oh, hell, when it gets quiet, it's worse.
Oh, no.
I'm
Never good.
bad at being quiet.
Nora's real bad at it. Oh, God.
Behind you. Woo!
Oh, God. I think we made it.
Okay.
I think so.
I think we made it.
I think so.
Ooh. I don't know. I think he cut me right down the back. He got me.
Yep.
Well,
I died pork chop style.